Hi everyone, once again welcome or welcome back to IPM Radar. In today's video, we are analyzing that is IPM from Nalsar worth it? We'll have a discussion around the merits and deficiencies of this program, and towards the end of the video, you'll have a proper conclusion that should you join this program or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's begin our discussion around the merits first of all. Merits में अगर मैं campus की बात करूँ, the campus is decent. Like Nalsar has its main campus established in Hyderabad. You get all the major facilities on campus, and even the ambience is great. So in terms of campus, it gets a thumbs up. Apart from that, the next point to consider here is the learning aspect. अगर हम लोग learning की बात करें, then great learning takes place. The curriculum is designed in a very holistic way, and even the pedagogy is great. That is learning through live interaction and live case study solving. So all in all, the curriculum is really impressive, and again a great point for the students. Apart from that, third factor to consider under this bucket of merits is that this is comparatively a new program. So Nalsar will strive really hard to get all the students placed and to bring in the best of opportunities for its students. The batch size is also small, so special emphasis is being given to the students, like they are proactively participating in case study competitions, going out for various summits. So ये students के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. So these are the major merits of joining this program. Summarizing them in one go: great campus, great learning, and special emphasis to the students. So this was the discussion around the major merits of this program. Now let us just cater our discussion to the demerits of this program or the cons of joining IPM Nalsar. तो डीमेरिट्स में सबसे पहला पॉइंट यही है, द फी इज़ अ बिट एग्जॉर्बिटेंट. सो अगर हम लोग नालसार प्रोग्राम की फ़ी कंपेयर करें विद एनी अदर बीबीए प्रोग्राम ऑफ इट्स सॉर्ट लाइक क्राइस्ट या किसी और कॉलेज का, देन द फी फॉर नालसार इज़ अ बिट ऑन हाई एंड. तो फी इट कुड बी अ पॉइंट ऑफ कंसिडरेशन फॉर मैनी. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट डीमेरिट. इसके अलावा अगर हम लोग बात करें, जॉइनिंग नालसार विल ऑल्सो डिपेंड वॉट योर अल्टीमेट गोल इज़. सो आपको 5 साल नालसार में कंटिन्यू करना है, या फिर आफ्टर 3 years यू वुड लाइक टू मेक एन एग्जिट, टेक योर कैट एग्जामिनेशन एंड परस्यू योर MBA. So joining Nalsar may not be worth it if your ultimate goal is to write down CAT examination and pursue your MBA from IIM, because you won't get enough time for preparation. So time constraint is the second factor to consider. इसके अलावा अगर हम लोग डिकोड करें या डिस्कस करें नालसार एज अ ब्रांड, देन फॉर द लॉ कोर्सेज इट इज़ अ वेल स्टैब्लिश्ड इंस्टीट्यूट. काफ़ी सही है लॉ कोर्सेज के लिए, इट होल्ड्स द टॉप पोजीशन इन द कंट्री. लेकिन फॉर द मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज it is not a very acclaimed college, right? It's not a very celebrated college at all. So an MBA from Nalsar doesn't sound like a good deal. Not to mention, if you join Nalsar's MBA, then you miss out on that IIM tag. And this battle of MBA from Nalsar or MBA from IPM, it's obvious who will win, it's obvious who will get the preference. So this is again a factor to consider for many. And finally, the small batch size is again a point of concern. And when we say small batch size, it's about the limited peer-to-peer interaction, the limited peer-to-peer learning. And जो senior batches हैं आपके, वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, hardly 1 or 2 batches. So again, this is the fourth point to consider. So these are the major demerits of joining this program. Concluding all the points discussed under the demerit section, सबसे पहले fees on a high end. Then it depends upon what your ultimate goal is, CAT देना है कि नहीं देना है. Then Nalsar as a brand is concerned for MBA. And finally, the small batch size. So these were the major merits. Like this, we have, we have discussed both the merits and demerits. Now giving you the final conclusion that should you join Nalsar's IPM? So it depends. If you have some better options like IIM Indore, Rohtak, Ranchi or IIFT's IPM program, then you should give preference to these programs. लेकिन we can say that this Nalsar's IPM program is comparable to Bodh Gaya and Jammu's. So अगर आपके पास option है Bodh Gaya, Jammu and Nalsar, then you can give preference to Nalsar as well. But ultimately the final call is yours. I just attempted to walk you through the major merits and demerits. I hope the video was helpful. If that's the case, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to IPM Radar. And if you have any other queries, you can drop them down in the comment section. On this note, it's a wrap for today.